Daily menu. Let's review some of the nice features that are available in the daily menu and how you can maximize your menu planning and menu creation. The first thing you will see is a navigation bar. This indicates you are in the menu tab and you are at the daily menu. Below that, you see the menu period. It's just determined, as we reviewed earlier, in the menu calendar section. So for today, we are in the fall period. We are on cycle 2 or week 2, and we are pointed at day 6. You can see here, week 2 is in the green, as this week is colored green also. And day 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is the 18th. Below here shows you day 6 or what is being served on the 18th. As you can see below, as we page down, this is Friday the 18th, what is being served. This view is a little different than your typical view of menus because it always shows 3 days before and 3 days after. We will go over more of these features later, but for now, we're just going to cover some of the basic features that are available at the top. Remember, the program will keep track of the calendar for you and keep track of what menu you're in. You could see as you advance forward, and we are starting a new period, the menu calendar continues to keep track of that. Over to your right is a scoreboard. It's the food group tracking. This is based off of your diet manual and is used to help you make good decisions and well-balanced decisions in your menu planning. You could see on this day, we're required to have 6 breads and grains, 14 carbohydrates or around there, 5 fruits and vegetables, 6 meat and proteins, 3 milks, a vitamin A source, and a vitamin C source. So let's go ahead and take a look down here and look at the menu for the day and show you how this will be affected. Let's say we take the carrots off the menu. You will see above we will lose a fruit and vegetable. So now we are pressed with the decision on what do we replace the carrots with. Well, let's replace it with green beans and hit add. You can see when we hit add, the fruit and vegetables went back up. Just remember, this is an alpha lookup when you're searching for food items. Once you hit the button add, they will be put down here, but you will have to click and drag on it to put it in place. So let's review the features. Up to your left tells you what period you're in, what cycle, and what day. The calendar itself is keeping track of where you are within your cycles or your menu period. The food group tracking keeps track of how many exchanges you have for the day and if they're meeting the requirements based on the diet manual. Over here is a feature called Flip Meals. The Flip Meal feature can be done for individual days or an entire week. Let's just take this example here. Yankee pot roast, we want to serve this at dinner, and we want to offer the tuna salad sandwich at lunch. We would simply say change lunch with dinner. But remember, we are in the winter period, and we are on or looking at day 1. Now we are ready to correctly flip the meal. And as you can see, the Yankee pot roast moved to dinner. Since this is a demonstration, we're going to go ahead and flip them back. So these are some of the features that you will see when you're in the daily menu. Remember, you can always hit the help button and you could learn about making changes and using the features.